So string tokenizer, this one done. Now next, what we need to do, we need to use one of the function called the count tokens. We want to count the tokens, how many tokens actually inside this string. So let's go to the code, how we can count the tokens. So I have one example here, token example 2. So I create the class name. Here is the class name we use here or create the class is called the token example 2. Okay, here, if you look at here, there are some changes here because we need to count the tokens. So we use the count tokens. So let's see the output from here first, okay? So if you want to see the output, what you need to do, I clear the screen first. Then I want to see the file name is token example 2, and also we also compile this one. So we have a class name called token example 2.class. Okay, so we want to run and see the output from this class token example 2, right? So now we can get the output. Total number of tokens equal to 7. Okay, let's go to our code here. Okay, I explain this part first. Okay, look at here. The class name is token example 2. So file name must follow exactly the same name, token example 2.java. Then we have the statement public static void main string arguments. Then we have the string type value here s. Then we put the string inside the double quotation, and also we pass the delimiters. So we declare the string type delimiters. So these are the symbols we consider as delimiters. Then we use one of the variables, integer type variables is n. This is used for to count how many tokens we have. Then similarly the previous one, string tokenizer. Then we pass two parameters, okay, s and the delimiters, the string and the delimiters. Then after that we use the how many tokens we have using the function we call count tokens, right? So then we use the command we call n equal to st, the object of string tokenizer st dot count tokens. So it will count number of tokens. How many tokens we have? If you count this one, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we count this one. So this will give the output n equal to 7. Okay, after that, we want to display this one. So system.out.print line, it will go to the next line, display total number of tokens, then n plus n means it will give the total number of tokens is 7. Then after that, we use the for loop here. Look at here, we use the for loop for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, so here n is 7. Okay, here n is 7. So the condition will be integer I equal to 0, I less than 7, I plus plus. So now it will display system. Okay, it will display using the command system.out.print line. Go to the next line. If you look at the output, go to the next line. Then it will use the command st.next token. So it go to the next token. So it will continue this loop until the condition is false. So it will continue from 0 to 7. Okay, the array elements from 0 to 7, 0 to 7, it will be 7, right? Okay, after that, it is exit from the loop. Then in the meantime, it will display all the tokens. So because of using here the print line, all the tokens will display in the next line. Okay, now I'm going to show you if you want to display all the tokens in the same line, then you can use the simple command here. We can use here, okay, system.out.print. Print will display all the tokens in the same line. But what we need to do, you need to take each of the token using the command st.next token. Then after that, make one space there. So it will show you each of the tokens one after another with one space. Okay, let's save and we need to compile first. Okay, so we compile. I can compile here from here also, Java C. I compile all the files together. Start.java. Okay, all already compiled, right? So I want to see here. All file is compiled. So you can see the file already compiled. So what you need to do now, we need to use the command Java, then token example 2, correct? Token example 2. And now you look at the output here. Okay, if you look at the output here, you see, so this is showing total number of tokens. Total number of tokens equal to n is 7, and then it display all the tokens in the same line. Okay, each of the token taken. So this is the way the world ends. Okay, so this is the command to display all the tokens in the same line. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of the string tokenizer, how we can use and how to display all the tokens in the same line.